So, if you ever scrolled on the internet for a fluorescent under cabinet light, you may have come across this seemingly popular build type. And in today's video, I actually want to do this and review it. So, here is the under cabinet light I got and managed to get. So, let's actually see. Now, it is obviously pretty heavy since it is made out of metal and it has a magnetic ballast, but we're going to actually see about it a bit later. So, let's actually see. I'm going to first unlock the tube, and as we can see over here we have a Ostrom L18 type 530 warm white recyclable and tube. So yeah, over here we have the starter. In this case it also seems to be an Ostrom ST111 Germany. So there would be that. It also comes with this switch over here, and obviously we have some special connectors. On the other side we have it too. This is so you can connect the cabinet light and the cabinet light with each others. So let's actually give it a try and let's experiment. Okay, let's actually test it and turn it on. There we go. Let's actually see it in slow-mo. Obviously it is pretty bright. I mean, it is made to be an under cabinet light, so it is obviously going to output some light. Now my power meter is showing me right now 28 watts, so from the opposing 18 watts, obviously the ballast is also losing some of its but as you can see it is pretty nice, and I hope you also enjoyed the startup, which is also really interesting in my very own opinion. Now that we actually saw that it also works, let's actually open up and see what is inside. Now it is at this time to open it up, and as we can see it is pretty interesting. We can actually notice that we have only two wires, so this is a resistive ballast rather than a ballast that would be sort of like a transformer. We obviously have the switch, and of course we have the socket, and it is obviously grounded. The entire metal body is grounded through this grounding wire, which is really cool. On the other side we have the starter, and we have here an interesting, what I would assume is some sort of capacitor, and yeah, this is a starter socket. Now I'm going to put it together. Now I have actually been curious, and I have actually done my research on Wikipedia. And the interesting thing is that although Wikipedia has a dedicated site for under cabinet light, it does not really seem to be giving that much specification about that many models, or at least it knows that there are spotlights. It also has this linear build type, so this is a linear build type. But I was curious if I could actually search and find a little bit more about these kind of that I also have in this video, because I have seen they do offer you a link slash reference to the assist guide on stuff like this, So they have published it in 2007, so it is safe to assume that this lamp's origin is around 2005. Now if you take a look over here, it says 20 then 1/05. Now I assume that they actually refer to the 20th of January 2005, and this would also fit. So yeah, this was my little in-depth look and about this kitchen under cabinet lighting, simply because I have seen some more, and this is really not the only fixture I have. Thus this is a pretty common one I have seen, so therefore this wasn't really about a really special light bulb, but rather about a pretty common fixture. And I hope you have also seen this video as interesting and regarded as such. If you have also any information regarding these things and have a source, I'm happy of course to accept. Please leave it in the comments, and if you have any questions, leave a comment and I will try to answer a question, and like and subscribe to see more of these kind of interesting content. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Goodbye.